Well, the 1031 exchange refers to Section 1031 of the IRS tax code. What this section allows us to do is to defer paying capital gains on the sale of certain assets if we play by their rules and replace the asset that we sold with a new asset that's like kind. You can't sell your Nike Air Jordan collection and buy an apartment building and defer the capital gains on the sale of the sneakers. You can't sell a single family house that you lived in as your primary residence and defer all the capital gains and roll it into an office building. You can sell an apartment building, defer the capital gains, and go into another apartment building or an office building or retail building. Those are considered like-kind assets, income-producing real estate, commercial income-producing real estate. So I get why the IRS wouldn't really care if I buy an asset, own it for 10 years, and sell it and go into a 1031 exchange into a new asset, or if I just never even sell asset number one. It's the same thing to them, and that allows me to then roll my money constantly into new opportunities that provide me with the ability to add value and increase the value of the asset. And look, the more you can do that over whatever amount of years you're investing over, you can turn $100,000 into millions and millions of dollars by just continually adding value to new properties that you get into via the 1031 exchange.